Dude, you see this telephone pole?
They got a replacement, and then they just bolted the new one to the old one.
Yep. Somebody didn't turn. They kept on going straight and just wham.
Yeah. Falcon punch.
Falcon kick. That was a good hit. Can I do it? Almost no.
But wait, there's more.
Oh yeah. Smells like race gas. Oh shit. Look at this.
Helicopter? Probably tracking us so they can come get us. Dude, are we gonna be able to get back up this hill?
Oh yeah, we'll be fine. This is no problem. This is like grass. We're golden. Ooh, soft sand coming up. Oh my god! Did you hear that?
I heard something hit hard.
That was my front forks compressing 100%. Oh dude, this freaking turn, it's gonna like be some NASCAR shit.
Oh my god, how'd you get up there?
Oh, just gotta have that speed, man. That shit was awesome. Oh, we need like the time trials, this shit.
Dude, this shit's awesome.
Hell yeah, it's a nice little track.
Put my visor down so I can keep some of that dirt out. Hey, what is that helicopter doing? They're like circling something over there though, so.
Just went straight up that just like, this is hilarious. I didn't expect it to ride up it like that. I just want to get on top of the tire. This chopper, man, definitely has a camera mounted on the front of it. It's got one of those gimbal cams. God damn. Yeah. They're gone.
And they're out there with like no helmet, no sunglasses.
Yeah, man.
How can he see right now? I think he slowed down a lot. He's probably like, my lucky holes. God damn, he's just going fast too.
Yeah, he's hauling ass. All right, you ready?
No.
Time trial. I'll give you a handicap head start.
I mean, I'm not going to race because that's just when I'm going to do something dumb.
Come on. We already pulled a skateboard behind a Grom today.
Yeah, 15 miles an hour.
Holy shit.
Did I get some air? Or were you also shooting you?
Oh yeah, whenever like it pulled up, my freaking forks once again. Back brake,
No knobbies. I'm scared.
They took him from the inside. He's pulling ahead. Whoa, shit.
Oh.
Into the fucking NASCAR fucking curve. Woo.
Oh, no. All right. I thought it was going to slide out.
Dude,
let's go the other way and come up this hill.
Alright.
I'm going to start at like that tree line. Oh man, what's this dude down there running?
Pass by him and slap his ass. Good game.
Oh, that would hurt so much.
Ready, set up. Holy shit, that's
Oh, it clicked so hard.
Damn, they're getting it.
They have 4 wheels and a lot more traction.
Dang, they're hauling ass.
Oh yeah, they're going at least 3 times as fast as we were.
Oh, I got him on the inside.
Dusted him.
So look back.
The guy in the back doesn't have goggles.
Yeah. It's just funny. It's like, I got you, dope. I got you, dope. They're getting serious out here.
Yeah, we'll let them start.
Right. You gonna try and keep up with them?
We can try, but
there ain't gonna be no keeping up with them. I'm interested just to see the distance. Nah, they're gone, dog. Oh, it's so dusty! Why is it close?
oh god, I just bottomed out so hard.
Did you hear the click?
Yeah. Oh god, like it hurt my guts.
Ooh, dude, that dirt.
A little dirt snack.
Oh yeah. Oh, he's talking about his goggles. He's like, I don't need them. I don't need them.
I'll beat you without them.
Yeah. I should give him some stickers and be like, yo, you guys gonna be in a video.
Do you have any on you?
Yeah.
Yeah. What? Yeah, dude.
Hey man, check it out. I run this YouTube channel. I'm recording right now and getting y'all doing all this. So if you guys want to check out some videos on YouTube about it.
Alright.
We usually do motorcycle stuff, but it's awesome watching you guys rip around this thing, man.
I got a motorcycle Moto neck right there.
Oh, nice. What kind?
Put an R3 on it.
Right on. Dude, it's crazy how fast you guys rip around here.
Yeah. We do this almost every day.
Yeah. I've seen y'all out here before.
Yeah.
We've never actually come out here with the bikes.
Yeah.
Shit is fun. It's like a perfect little loop.
And they don't mess with us. I mean, sometimes the police pull up. They can't do nothing about this because this is Orange County. This is not Oak Court.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So when Orange County come, sometimes Orange County don't even come. Sometimes they do come. Man, y'all just ride.
Right on.
You know what I'm saying? Because we ain't doing nothing, having fun.
Yeah, man. It's like public land. It's a retention pond. What else are they doing with it? Yeah.
Yeah, we ain't never got no trouble like this.
That's good, man.
Pull over whatever you call it.
Dude, that little bank right there is so fun. You're coming at it. You got to redeem yourself, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't even have knobbies on the back.
I was saying he's having knobby tires on the back for this stuff. He's probably losing a lot because of those slicks, especially on grass.
Oh yeah. But on road though, you can take them without even thinking about it.
Yeah. Dude, props to this guy, man. He's doing work. Running around it, and then he runs up the hill and then back around.
I couldn't do it. I mean, I could, but I wouldn't do it.
Yeah.
We do another lap and then head back to the casa.
Get ready for bike night. Bike night. Yo, so he's saying he has a R3 motor in the other one. The one
Nice.
that's in his van right here.
Oh, damn.
It's like the Ocoee police come, and it's like they can't do anything because it's Orange County, apparently. And then, like, Orange County will come, but they'll leave him alone, which is cool. Oh, got him on the inside.
Oh, man. Let's do one more.
You got that big old smile. Oh, this shit looks fun.
Man, you beat him without knobbies, too. Like, that's nuts.
Yeah, well, he got him on the inside right here, and it forced him on the outside, and then he started going off the trail. That's why he slowed down.
He definitely gets the start.
Oh, yeah. He's just got to stay on the inside, because this other dude right here.
He went too high and, like, started losing it.
Oh, he started losing the back end right there, too. But yeah, even then, yeah, they're both high.
Oh, he can't that time, though.
Yep. He's got him.
We'll see.
No.
No. Oh, no. God, he's just getting dusted.
Literally, just.
Yeah.
I'll be dirty as fuck by the time I go home and get second place in the 50.
Look, he's got like grass and stuff all up in his beard.
All right, after they launch this time, let's do one more. All right, you feel inspired? Haul ass. Brushing himself off. Dude, it looks like so much fun.
I definitely don't want to be behind them.
No.
Even with the visor down and everything.
Yeah, it's still hard to see.
Yeah.
You don't know if you're about to hit a patch of sand or what.
Or just end up in the lake.
Yeah.
Just, oh, now I'm wet. Cool.
I don't know. They're setting. It looks like he's setting up a playlist. Wanna just go.
Yeah.
Ready?
Let's do it.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh. Oh, I forgot to put my visor down.
Oh fuck! Rear suspension.
Almost at the tail without. Oh god! Twice. Oh man! Oh god! Damn! Did you hear that?
Suspension.
Yeah. Hard hit.
Oh, it's a suspension test, that's for sure. All right, let's head back.
Hey, we could go right into the sun.
Yay.
Cool. My favorite.
All right, cut. Woo! Holy shit!
Aim for the right side.
I didn't even like try to jump on that one. It just like throws you in the air.
I did, and I got full air on it. It was awesome. At least it felt like it. I mean, I don't.
All right, hit it again, and I'll be your side cam. That's a pretty good little kicker, man.
You ready?
Yep. Holy shit! That was good. That was good. You sent it. Good job.
That was cool. On one of those first ones, I came up and landed a little crooked, so I did the
the wobble.
little mini fishtail. All right.
It's a good little spot. Boop. All right, guys. We're not on Groms. I'm on the live wire now, and we're headed to bike night. So that's the end of the Gromventure video. Big thanks to Wes for riding Groms, and Dyna Bro, my bro that rides a Dyna, for also riding a Grom. What'd you think? Your first time on a Grom, like in woods like that?
Very scary with the sand.
That sand will get you.
I felt like I was gonna eat shit the whole time, and then I ate poop. I felt like I was gonna eat poop the whole time, and I ate poop. So
You can say shit.
oh, okay.
Poop sounds funny. I poop. Reminds me of that Ron Burgundy, like, you eat that cat poop.
You are going to eat that cat poop.
I will not eat cat poop.
You put that cat poop in your mouth.
No!
Yes.
No!
See.
I will not eat cat poop.
You will do it immediately.
No!
Yeah, I ate shit.
Yeah, there you go. There it is. If you guys want Wes to get a Grom, post up down in the comments below. Let him know. I think he's right on the fence about it, so, you know, any pressure that we can give him. Next video, live wire video, so thank you guys for tuning into the Gromventure. It's been a while, but we'll definitely be doing more. Hope you guys liked it. Hit the like. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Hit the bell. Put that bell, yeah, squad. And, so next time, ride safe, stay vigilant. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Why are you stopping? Hold on. We're stopping.
Oh, shit. Dude, horn.
Might be a little excessive.
Excessive nothing. They're trying to stop to turn left. No, man. Get the out of the way. I'm gonna motorcycle. That light is green. People not paying attention behind us could potentially kill us.
Yeah, sandwich us in between them and the car in front of us.
Yeah.
So
There is, I do not feel sorry. Excessive nothing.